Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And okay, why does this car look like it's oh, maybe it didn't realize it's a one-way, but there's such indiscipline on the roads that I wouldn't be surprised if that car tried to cut on the wrong side of the road to cut out traffic. Alright, today we're driving through the Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay, and this is the largest shopping center in Jamaica and also the largest shopping center in the English-speaking Caribbean. Now we have a simple formula. This is actually part 2 of the video. We did a part 1 earlier. We have a simple formula for what a successful plaza is in Jamaica. You need to build it in a populated area. The formula has 3 parts. Build it in a populated area, and Montego Bay is a very populated area. Make sure you have a major supermarket chain, a large supermarket, and this plaza actually has 2. We looked at high-low in part 1. We're going to look at progressive foods in part 2. So this is progressive foods here. Now, Progressive Foods is a part of the Shoppers Fair chain of supermarkets, and that's the largest chain of supermarkets in Jamaica. So that supermarket will bring in a lot of traffic. It's a major supermarket, very nice in there, very large. And then the third thing you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica is you have to have food stores. And as we said in part 1, we looked at the KFC, a lot of them, but we're going to look at some more now. So here we have Wendy's, we have Juicy Patties, we have another Chinese restaurant. Across the road we have, over here on the left we also have Domino's. Across the road we have, I think it's a Sakura restaurant. A lot of different, there's like a food court across the road. So we're just going to tour here. And in addition to those stores, you're going to find every other store down here, you name it, from Flow, Digicel. Every bank has a location in this plaza, Ncb, Scotia, and they have very nice branches. Some of the nicest branches that they operate in Jamaica are in this plaza. There's Sagiqua Bank, First Caribbean Bank, Fontana has a very large pharmacy. You name it and you can find it in Fairview. I don't know the history of this plaza, so if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But whoever envisioned this plaza here did an excellent job. I was trying to do some research online, but I couldn't find out who built it or when it was built. But it was an excellent idea. And then to build it so large, I mean, you have to admire those kind of things. Because Montego Bay doesn't have the largest population in Jamaica. St. James doesn't have the largest population. That belongs to Kingston. So to build such a massive mall down here, clearly those people knew what they were doing. So if anybody knows who built this plaza, I don't think it had anything to do with the government. I think it was a private venture. Let us know in the comment section, and also when it was opened. Okay, so straight ahead is the Sagiqua Bank. On the left is the Fontana Pharmacy. And yes, it is a Sakura Express restaurant, and there are a few more restaurants to the left. Okay, straight ahead you can see the CIBC First Caribbean sign. So basically all the major banks have a location or a branch in this plaza. Over here now you have a lot more food places. Uncorked West. Oh, there's a Starbucks coffee over here. They must have recently opened because there's a CIBC First Caribbean. Okay, straight ahead is a nice view of the Ncb Financial Center. So as you can see, it's a very nice plaza. Well laid out. There's so much parking. I must say, this was nicely done. Now, when you look at how nice this plaza is, there are other plazas like Millennium Plaza in Clarendon. Looks just as nice, but they built it in the wrong location. They don't have a supermarket there. It's a massive plaza, Millennium. I mean, not on the size of this, but they built it at the wrong place. They don't have a supermarket in there. They only have one or two, probably just one food place in there. So the plaza is an epic failure. This one now, this is how a plaza is to be built if you have the space. Okay, straight ahead is a JMB branch. Can we come out down there? I think we can. Okay. Exit, okay. Okay, straight ahead is a medical facility. I don't think that's a part of the plaza. It's a G West Medical. Very nice building, but it's not a part of the plaza. Alright, so we're going to drive back through the plaza now for one last tour. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.